Good on, guys. Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So let's jump onto the monthly time frame. What can we see? We've got this monthly bullish impulse leg, so we know we're bullish on the monthly time frame. Let's mark out our monthly trading range with the monthly candlestick low and the monthly candlestick high. And what indication do we have on the monthly time frame of where price could be going next? Not much. You see here, price is sitting dead center of this monthly candlestick range. So we're going to need to go down the time frames. Okay, weekly time frame. We are bullish on the weekly time frame. You see weekly low here, and then this weekly impulse leg is pushing up. So let's mark out the previous weekly low, current weekly low right now, but tomorrow it'll be the previous weekly low. And let's look at this week's candle. So you see here, look, price pushed all the way up and closed all the way back down here. So we've got a lot of selling pressure up there. So what I would like to see going into next week, because look where price is. We are closer here. We're going to be opening up closer to this week's liquidity here, or the previous week's liquidity here, than we are the high. So gold has a higher probability of coming down here, collecting this liquidity. And if we get confirmation here, I'm going to be looking to buy up. That's a very, very nice zone here. If price takes out this previous week's low, gives us confirmation on the lower time frame, boom, we can look to buy up through that weekly range. If she breaks through this weekly low and gives solid confirmation for a sell, we could also look to take sells on the lower time frame, because chances are she's going to fill this imbalance here. And this is going to be the next zone that we're going to look for buys. So let's jump down onto the daily time frame. What can we see? The daily time frame is a little bit ugly. We've got a candlestick continuation pattern here, which is still confirmed unless we get, the daily candle close, all the way down here. So while we have this continuation pattern here, price pulled up, and then obviously we've got that big rejection here. So if price pushes down, we take this liquidity and we get confirmation on the low time frame again, we look to buy up. If this level fails here, then we're going to look for the previous week to get taken out, and we're going to look for confirmation again. And if that level fails, obviously we're going to be looking for sells here as well. If we do get solid confirmation, if this level fails, we're looking to take sells down here, fill this gap. We've got a nice little imbalance down here. Look, nice little demand zone where we're going to look to take buys from there. So if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, what can we see? Okay, we are sitting inside a 4-hour demand zone right now, which lines up with that daily candlestick continuation pattern. So again, I want to see the same thing, guys. I'm literally just waiting for this. If we open up bearish, we come down here, we collect some liquidity, confirmation, boom, I'm going to take buys up. That's literally all I'm looking for right now. Obviously, we break down here, we get 4-hour candlestick close, daily candlestick close, a break structure, then I'll be potentially changing my short-term bias, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So if we go to the 1-hour, what have we got here? Okay, so the 1-hour is actually bearish. You see here, look, we've got a change of character. So price, impulse, retracement, and impulse here, and then break of structure. So what can we expect now? For a change of character or a fake out, price to come back up, at least mitigate some of this imbalance and either continue or break through those highs. But you can see here, we've got a little demand zone here, that we've mitigated. And on the 4-hour, I missed that off, sorry, got this imbalance that's also been mitigated here. So if we go back onto the 1-hour, what can we see? We've got a bullish candle here. Now, I don't expect price just to, correct this move just starting from here. I expect maybe, we get a fake move first, then price comes down, boom, takes out liquidity. If we see that, oh, that's such a nice confirmation. If we see that going into Monday morning, damn, yes, we will be taking that all day. And look at this inside here. We've even got an order block. So that lines up with that absolutely perfectly. So we take liquidity, we mitigate the order block here, boom, and we're going to look to, buy up through this weekly trading range there. And obviously, if this fails, and we look to, potentially take sales down to the next level, and we'll do the same again. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that forecast. If you've got any questions on it, or want me to dive into anything in more depth, please let me know in the comments. And just before we finish, we are going to go over onto Discord. I'm going to show you some of the results. Look at the companion this week, guys. The day trading companion, absolutely sick. Well, the day trading and the swing companions. The companions, guys, are robots that have been built using this manual strategy here. this manual strategy here, go watch the videos on the website, guys. These robots are sick. No martingale, no grid, no, traditional shitty robot strategies. These have been coded to as close as possibly to be as you would trade, manually. The whole point of the companions is to automate the process of manual trading. It'll never be one-to-one the same, of course, but I've done a really good job on those robots, guys. So definitely, if you learn how to trade or you're looking for a decent robot, go check them out. And we've got the Funded Lab that's just launched here. So the Funded Lab 2.0, which is just insane, guys. This is the free section of the Discord. The link's on the website if you want to go check it out. Link to come in the free Discord. You can come have a look through the Funded Lab results, companion results, the Funded Lab futures, which is a new group. And if you talk shit like this and make up lies, then I will create videos and share your messages. So they do that. But yeah, this is a new group, guys. This is a beta group. There's currently 50% discount on this while I'm, building it out and optimizing it, etc., etc. So yes, guys, always things in the works with what we're doing. Always updates coming. It's always exciting here at Black Swan FX. So if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments or on Instagram, BenAlistairFX, or on a live chat on the website. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I hope to see you in the Discord. If you're not already in there, next week. Bosh.